Purpose of this meeting is to see how we should price our tickets for next season. I think the best way to go about that is forecasting the sales for next season. To begin, we should analyze previous year's ticket sales.
Thanks, Alec. All right, so we'll start by analyzing the previous 5 years' history's ticket sales. In 2011, we had ticket sales of 40,016, all the way to 2015, where we had 41,267. The first equation that we're going to use is going to be the moving average to determine next year's forecasted sales for 2016.
Well, we're going to use the moving average. Here's the equation right here. We're going to use that to calculate our 2016 expected ticket sales. So to do so, take 40,016 tickets, add in 41,265 tickets, add 40,817 tickets, 40,512, and then add 41,267 tickets. Take all those numbers over n, which is 5 for this situation. So the 2016 expected ticket sales would be 40,775 tickets.
Other than the moving average, there's another way that we can forecast demand, and that is with exponential smoothing. With exponential smoothing, we need a number for alpha, which we will set for 5%. Setting it at 5% will put more, it'll put more emphasis on our demand minus our forecast, and rather than the other way around. So to do this, we take the forecast and we add it to our alpha times our demand minus our forecast. When doing so, we're going to assume our 2015 forecast is 40,617. And once we calculate the equation, we get 40,650, which is different than our 40,775 that we got with the moving average.
For coming out, I think this was a very productive meeting where we were able to successfully forecast next year's sales.
And yeah, so doing so, we used the moving average and the exponential smoothing, obviously, and we were able to forecast the demand for season tickets for next year's season. And
yeah, and there's obviously other approaches that we can use to determine what route we're going to take, but given the fact that 2016 hasn't happened yet, it makes things tough to
calculating and determining what number to go with. You got mean squared, error mean, average deviation, etc. We chose not to go with those because we don't have the 2016 results yet. Instead, we chose to go with the more conservative route, like what Sam said. So,
go Hawkeyes.
Go Hawks.